Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch. If you're new here, my name is Ruth Kwamby. This channel is all about healthy juices, smoothies, and a bit of travel. And before we go on, please support this channel by hitting that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and you'll always be the first to get notified when you have a new video coming in. For those who've already subscribed and turned on the post notifications, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today's video, if you can see from my background, I'm headed to the kitchen. I actually want to show you how we can make capsicum curry. It's an Indian recipe a friend of mine gave to me. So I want to show you how we can make capsicum curry. It's not the first time I'm making capsicum curry. I've did it several times. It's very delicious, very nice. I want to take you to the kitchen and show you how you can make capsicum curry. It's holiday season, it's December. I know people will love to make this for their families, for Christmas, or for any events that you have this time round of the year. So I thought I should share this recipe to you. I know this channel doesn't do a lot of cooking, but I'm one person who loves cooking and sharing out new recipes. And by the way, before I go on, if you've not checked out the tamarind rice that I made on this channel, check this link above here. Make sure you check it out. I'll put also the link in the description box so that you can check it out. If you really love to cook, you can try it out. And by the way, if you didn't try out the butternut soup that I made, it was among the first videos that I made in this channel. Oh my god, you're missing out. Check this link. Check the link in the description box below. I'll make sure I put a link there so that you check it out. Butternut soup, it's awesome. Okay, I don't want to waste much time. Let's go to the kitchen and make our capsicum curry, an Indian recipe. I know you're going to like it. And please make sure you stay with me till the end. Just follow every step of it and you are going to like it. I promise you this. Let me just quickly mention the ingredients that we need for our capsicum curry in just a random order. We need 1 tomato. We need our capsicums. There are 3 capsicums, red, yellow and green, but you can choose to use 2, but I want to use 3. We have 4 garlic pods. I have 1 inch of cubed ginger. I have my salt. I have 3 tablespoons of desiccated coconut. I have chili powder. I have turmeric, 2 tablespoons of peanuts. I have curry leaves. I have my cooking oil, coriander seeds, tamarind, mustard seed, sesame seed, coriander, onions. Let me chop these ingredients first and then we'll get into the cooking. The capsicum curry that we just made, it's so delicious. I know you can serve it with rice, parota, or chapati. I don't know what you want to serve it with, but please make sure you try this out. Finally, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you think about it, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. Hope to see you in my next video.